How to use text-to-speech on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok. You'll land to the home page. Now, click on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, your camera will open up. First up, you'll need to select the video or photo that you want to upload along with text-to-speech feature. So I'm going to upload a picture for the background. Once you add a picture, now at the right corner you're going to find different icons. Click on this drop down. Click on the option of text. Now go ahead and type in the text that you want to convert into the speech. Here you're going to find different font options. You can choose any of it. Likewise, you can also select the font color. Once you do that, now click on the text. Different options will appear. You can set the duration for this text as well. Then click on the option of text to speech.
Hi everyone, what's going on? What's up?
With that, the text will be converted to the speech. So this way you can easily use text to speech feature. Likewise, you can also use other features of TikTok given over here. Once you are done, click on next. Now you can customize these and then you can post it. So this way you can easily use text to speech feature on TikTok. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.